student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. In this video, I am telling you chapter 2 in mathematics polynomial. First question, what is polynomial? So look here, what is polynomial? Polynomial, an expression of the form, an expression of the form, an expression of the form px is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus dash dash an x to the power n is called a polynomial. An expression of the form px is equal to a naught a1x plus a2x square plus an x to the power n is called a polynomial. Here a naught a1 a2 dash dash, here a naught a2 a1 a naught a1 a2 dash dash are real number, are real number, and power of x is non-negative. Power of x is non-negative means power of x is positive. Now students, I am telling you types of polynomial on the basis of power. These are of following types. Number 1, linear polynomial. Number 2, quadratic polynomial. Number 3, cubic polynomial. Number 4, biquadratic polynomial. So look here, types of polynomial. Types of polynomial are: number 1, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1, having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. For example, 2x plus 7. In this expression, in 2x plus 7, power of x is 1, so it is linear polynomial. Other example is 5x plus 2. Here power of x is 1, so it is also linear polynomial. Number 2 is a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So second is a quadratic polynomial. Number 2 is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. For example, 2x square plus 7 and 5x square plus 2 is a quadratic polynomial because here power of x is 2, power of x is 2 means degree of x is 2. Third is cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. So third is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2. A polynomial having degree cubic. Cubic means power of x is 3. A polynomial having degree 3. Okay? A polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. For example, 2x cube plus 7, 5x cube plus 2. In this expression, power of x is 3. So this is called cubic polynomial. Number 4 is biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4. A polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. So look here, number 4 is biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. For example, 5x to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 7x square plus 7. Here maximum power of x is 4. So it is biquadratic polynomial. Okay, student. So polynomial are of 4 types: linear polynomial, power of x is 1; quadratic polynomial, power of x 2; cubic polynomial, power of x 3; biquadratic polynomial, power of x 4. Next I am telling you monomial. I am telling you on the basis of term. Classification of polynomial on the basis of term. A monomial, binomial, trinomial. So look here one by one. Classification of polynomial on the basis of term. If a polynomial containing one term, it is called monomial. If a polynomial having two term, it is called binomial. If a polynomial having three term, it is called trinomial. So look here. Monomial. First is classification of polynomial on the basis of term. Monomial. A polynomial having one term only. A polynomial having one term. A polynomial contain one term. It's called monomial. For example, 5x, 2. Here 5x contain one term, 2 contain one term, 2x cube contain one term, so it is monomial. Number 2 is binomial. A polynomial contain two term. A polynomial which contain two term is called binomial. For example, a polynomial contain two term is called binomial. For example, 5x plus 7, 1 plus 1, total 2 term. So 5x plus 7 contain 2 term. It is binomial. Next is trinomial. A polynomial which contain 3 term is called trinomial. So next is number 3 is trinomial. Trinomial. A polynomial contain 3 term. It's called trinomial. For example, 5x square, 7x plus 2. Here 5x square plus 7x plus 2 contain 3 term. 1 term, 2 term, 3 term. So it is trinomial. Okay students, I hope that you can understand all the points in this video. If you have any problem, then write in comment box. Like this video, share this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Okay students.